my youngest fan and take him on a ride in my Hellcat. The battery is dead. Damn, bro! I'm getting with these gas prices. Alright man, we just pulled up to his house, so I'm excited to see his reaction. I'm about to give him a call and let him know we're outside. So his mom been sending me videos. He's so excited to meet us.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Who are you waiting for?
That one cat.
Alright. Man, there goes the Hellcat, brother. What you think?
It looks nice.
Let me show you can check it out. Paying attention to everything, huh?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. Come here, come check out the inside. And we already knew what to do, you saw that?
Too easy.
Yes, sir, man. Y'all know what it is. Go for a ride and show you what the Too Easy experience is about. Alright, come on, let's go. Put your seatbelt on. I don't want your mama to get mad at me.
What about you? You can't put your seatbelt on?
Man, see, we're getting checked, man. Today, we're on a different type of time already, huh?
Too easy.
Alright, let's go, man.
Oh, shoot. Damn. Yo.
You getting a little scared there, huh? It gets real wild, yeah. You better hold on, boy. It started raining too, so he's about to get real slidey.
Damn. The last time you had to call me,
Yeah.
and then you had a gas station with the guy who crashed.
Oh, you watched the video, the new video?
No, I haven't watched the whole video.
What?
I just watched
I'm gonna drop you right back home if you haven't watched my new video, man. Like that?
Too easy.
booked the videos, right?
Yeah.
You need to go watch the new car meet video.
The car meet?
Mm-hmm. You like the chain or what?
Yeah. The one you put too easy in the back?
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah. The one you put a clip on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Best ride of my life! Too easy! Shout out to that Hellcat!
Hey man, Mikey, real champ. He survived the ride, man. Oh, you closed the door on your cousin, man. That boy's so excited he forgot his cousin was even in the car.
I'll tell you, this car is bad, bro. It's not
Sure, man. Y'all heard it first though. Mikey said the car's not fast enough, man. So I think we're gonna turn it up, make it a little bit faster. So next time you come in town, it's scary fast. Today he was a little scared, not too much, but he survived.
It's crazy, bro. It's just fast. Hey, he's saying the AM3 faster, right? Hey, I gotta see that one though.
Yeah, we're gonna take him for a ride, man. The big cousin is impressed, but not that impressed by this car. So maybe we need to bring the M3 and let him know what it is, man. So I got one last thing for you, Mikey.
Yep.
Oh, he's coming with me. Well, his mom is outside with you. All right, Mikey, I got a little gift for you. Got a little too easy hat. Yeah. And then, hold on, I don't want
It's
your
fire.
mom. Hey, come here. This for you. You know what I'm saying? A little money. Don't show your mom. That's for you, so you can spend it on whatever you want. Actually, show your mom because I don't want you buying stuff you're not supposed to. And go to Monday, school, kill it. Make sure you listen to your mom. Do everything you need to do. And yeah, like I said, next time you're in town, I'll take you for a ride. It's gonna be a lot faster, or maybe I'll bring the BMW. You let me know.
Yeah.
Cool?
Yeah.
All right, man. All right, tell them how the experience was. Did you enjoy it?
It's so fast, and we need a little bit upgrade.
It was
Don't forget to shout out that Hellcat. Too easy.
Yes, sir, man. You heard it first. See y'all on the next one. Too easy.